In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to NBC Sports. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nbcsports.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NBC Sports. So if you want to log into your account, click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on this option, login or create profile. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface. Simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your account. You can either continue with email, Google or Apple. Simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to continue with email. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Now click on this option, continue with email. Now after you do that, you can see over here one-time code will be sent to your email. So what you have to do is go to the new tab. Click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. NBC Universal Profile has sent me the email. Click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the access code. Simply memorize this code. Go back to the NBC tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Or instead of that you can also log in with password. For doing that you'll have to click on this option login with password. After that, you'll have to enter your password and you'll be logged into your account. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your NBC Sports account. So that is how you log into NBC Sports. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.